Real estate term of the day, title theory and lien theory. What does this mean? Well, some states are lien theory states, some states are title theory state. What does that mean? Well, in a title theory state, when you go to the closing, the mortgagee, which is the lender, is going to hold on to your title similar to your car, right? When you buy a car and it's being financed in the state of Florida or a lease, you don't have the title. The title is held by the lender. Upon paying it off, they give you the title. Same thing in a title theory state. You get the title only after you pay off the entire loan. Lien theory state. Florida is a lien theory state. What does this mean? Well, at time of closing, the buyer, which is the borrower, right, or also the owner at this time, walks away with the title known as the deed in their hands. So they have the title, which becomes much harder in the case of a foreclosure for the bank to take it away from you. They have to prove that you have not made the payments. In a title theory, they don't, because you sign a clause that is called a covenant clause, which means you're not going to challenge them in a foreclosure scenario. So in a title theory, by the third month, you are foreclosed. In a lien theory, they have to sue you. They have to take you to court. They have to prove to the judge that you're not making payments. Lien theory is the best way to go, and Florida is a lien theory state. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to set up a one-on-one tutoring session for the state test, either agents or brokers, please pick your time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Till next time.